Everybody is very concerned about the variant of coronavirus which is detected in the UK, and that is causing a lot of concern with flights being blocked from UK. So many of my patients were also concerned, so I thought I'll just speak to you all. So coronavirus is a virus, and what viruses do is they keep mutating. So there have been a lot of variants of coronavirus since the pandemic started. Of this particular coronavirus called COVID-19, since SARS-CoV-2, since the pandemic started. Why is this particular variant which was discovered in UK, why is it that everybody is concerned about that? So let's start with the facts. This variant was discovered in UK in September. So if it was discovered way back in September, why is it that people are worried about it right now? Because UK had a lot of lockdowns, and as they were removing the lockdown and as people started moving about in the end of November towards the beginning of December, they found that more and more people started developing coronavirus infections. So this is common, and we have seen that in our country, in India as well. As the lockdown was removed, people started moving around, the number of cases increased. But the strange thing that they found in UK was that 1 in 3 persons, particularly near London, Wales, and other parts of southeast of England, showed 1 in 3 of the patients diagnosed with coronavirus were detected to have this particular variant. So based on that, the researchers in UK thought that maybe this variant is more infective, more transmissible, meaning it can jump from one person to another person more quickly. And that is why they alerted the public health authorities, and the public health authorities alerted all the other governments throughout the world. And the governments reacted like this because they don't want a new variant which gets transmitted more quickly from one person to another. They didn't want it to come to our country. But you need to remember that the variant was discovered first in September. So it's highly likely that this variant is already there in our country. Is that something that we need to be scared about? Actually, no. Because the variant does not cause more severe disease compared to the usual COVID-19. As I said before, there are several variants of COVID-19. Until now, we have not found any major differences with respect to how they cause infections. The other thing people are worried about is whether the vaccine, which people felt was a light at the end of the tunnel, whether the vaccine will work or not. So there are 2 major vaccines which are available throughout the world, not available in India right now, but available throughout the world, which is the Pfizer and Moderna, and both the companies have told that their vaccine will work even to protect you against this variant as well. So the governments are reacting in this way because they want to make sure that the coronavirus infection does not get transmitted from one person to another person more quickly, and basically does not cause a lot of infections at the same time. But if you follow the same precautions that you were following for the last so many months, that is, wear a mask, wash your hands regularly, and maintain 6 feet distance from other people, social distancing. If you follow these precautions, no variant of coronavirus can infect you. So stay safe and be cautious.